Yeah, this is going to blow your mind, this strategy. Okay, it's the Forex Farmer back again. Hello, I just want to tell you about a strategy that I've been working on. Now, you might say, oh my God, I've watched your last video. You don't do ICT and SMC anymore. You're just jumping from one strategy to another. Maybe so. But this one is brilliant. I mean, it really is. It's something that I've developed, and it's so simple, and it really, really works. So we're going to go over the rules right now. Let's go to the chart. So I'm aptly naming it the farmer method. Now, before you say, oh, it's just a moving average strategy, kind of, but it's a little bit different. First and foremost, this is what we need on the charts. We need an EMA 21 and 200, which we've added here. The 21 is in white, the 200 is in orange. And then sessions, I'm in London, so my session times are 9 a.m. London to 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. They're the two sessions that I trade, or they're the times that I trade. See what works for you. The reason I'm doing these two times is because it fits in with my life. Now, I get that London starts at 8, but I find that 9 a.m. is better for me in my circumstances. So that's what I do there. Then we move to the 15 minutes and we mark out key levels. And by key levels, I mean, just areas of support, resistance, supply and demand, whatever you want to call it. So you'd come up here onto the 15 minute, you go, oh, okay, so we've got an area there, we've got an area here. We're just looking for where price has reacted in the past. It's kind of reacted there, and then obviously we've got reactions down here as well. You don't have to go in, into huge amounts of detail. You just want to sort of find key areas. So again, here could potentially be an area as well. And once you've done that, then you're on the 1 minute. And let's just go back a little bit here. We would look, first and foremost, we would consider the trend by looking at the EMA 200. And we can see here, looking at the EMA 200, sort of here we can see, okay, we're definitely in a downtrend, as you can see. Everything is heading down. And we would then wait for a pullback. So, we could be, I'm going to do this in a bit more detail later. This is just very quick to show you the basic strategy. We could look at this here and go, okay, so we've got a pullback here, and I might say at this point here, okay, what I will do here is I will enter a short position at the bottom of this candle. My stop loss would be 8 points. My target price would be just 4 points. And we would open 2 of those, because the second one would have the same would have the same stop loss, but it would be targeting a 1.5 to 1. So it'd be targeting 12 points. And then we'll just wait and see what happens. And as you can see, eventually we get tagged in here and we run down and hit both our take profits. Once this first take profit gets hit, we move this one to break even. So we are taking all the risk off. And that's it. That's essentially the strategy. We could carry it on, and we could look here and we could go, okay, we're still in a downtrend. Big up move candle here, bit of a pullback. Okay, let's take another short position at the bottom of that candle. We would be targeting 8. Sorry, our stop loss would be 8. We would target 4 points even, and we smash that. And then let's have a look and see if we would get our 1.5. We would get our 1.5 as well. So again, that one would work. We could do it here as well. If you just wanted to carry on, we could go, okay, let's take another short position. We're heading down. We've had our pullback. Bottom of that candle, target stop loss is 8 points, target price is 4. Bang, we hit that. Do we hit our 1.5? We just hit our 1.5 as well without hitting the break even. So that's 3 trades there, all one. Now the way I do it is I will typically take 1 trade per session, and if that wins, then I'm done. If it doesn't, then I will carry on. because I don't like to overtrade. But that's essentially that's it. It's as simple as that. It's really straightforward. The win rate is incredibly high because, yes, you're right, you are risking more than your target price. Your target price one is half your risk, so you need to have a high win rate. But with this, you do. It doesn't take much thinking. There's simple rules. Literally, start at 9 a.m. You've got 2 hours to find a trade. You will find a trade within 15 minutes. You're not trading till 11 a.m. You're pretty much trading for half an hour. You've got your points and you go. Okay, let me show you my Topstep account here very quickly. So this is my Topstep account. I'm not making this up. You can see we had a big loss. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. But so far, this is a live account, we've had 11 winning days of $200 or more. We have, let's have a look. We've got this for all time. As we can see, all time, that was the big loss there. Day one, I took a $3,000 loss and I thought, well, that's that account gone. But then I regrouped, used this strategy, and I've built it up for the last sort of 15 days. We're currently sat at about $5,500 in profit. It's a 150k account. I've taken one payout. You might say, why have you taken such a weird payout? It was just to round it down to the nearest $1,000. So that's been taken out. And that's it. And we trade daily on Topstep. It's really good, is Topstep as well. I strongly advise looking into it if this is what you want to do, because you can get a $150,000 account, which is what I've got. I'm doing every day, $400 to $500 easily. All you have to do is hit a $9,000 profit target. One step, so you could pass this in a day, right? I've got a bit of a deal as well. If you click a link in the description, I've got a bit of a deal for you as well. So you can, you don't have to use my link. You can just go to topstep.com. But I've got a bit of a deal with them. So you will get a little bit more, I think. I think you get like a demo or something like that. I don't know. But if you just click the link in the description. But that's what I use. And it's really, really good. One step, one payout. One step to become funded, so you can do it really, really quickly. And have a go with this strategy, because you'll pass your trading combine on Topstep in a week using this strategy. It's fairly safe. I found it safe. And that's it, really. Now I'm going to do another video shortly, and I will run through. We'll pick a day at random and we'll just run through a week of trading and just see how we get on. I'll also start doing some live trading on this. I've got a Discord as well. If you want to join that, the link is in the description. That's it, really. It's a quick overview of the strategy I'm using. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And I'll see you on the next video.